will be podium for the two. So muna natin sabihin ito, pero siguradong pipilitin natin dito. No other than our Olympian, two-time Olympian, Marcial, and Belgian Mindoro. Alam niyo naman ang mga records nitong dalawang to sa professional boxing. And also, ngayon lang nag-confirm Hergy will also play for the women's division 70 kilograms. So, former Olympian din. So, tatlo. May naasahan natin. So, take it away, Marcos.
So, as announced by POC President, so two of our boxers will compete for the SEA Games are John Mindoro at men's 75 kilograms. Agree na ba kayo sa team? And then Yumir Marcial at 80 kilograms, also his Olympic weight. Although this will be his first time to compete at 80 kilograms in the SEA Games kasi for the longest time he's at 75 kilograms. But ayun, 75 CE John, 80 CE Yumir. And then siguro I'll also announce the rest of the lineup. So for the men's side, 48 kilograms, J. Brian Baricuatro. 51 kilograms, Marvin Tabamo. 54 kilograms, Flint Hara. 57 kilograms, Ian Clark Bautista. 60 kilograms, Jun Milardo Ogaire. And then, 75 tsaka 80. So we're limited to just participating in 7 out of the 9 weight classes, men's boxing. So we're limited by the local organizing committee, by the host country, just like I heard in other sports also. And then on the women's side, we can only participate in 6 out of 8 weight classes. So at 48 kilograms, we have Ofelia Magno. 50 kilograms, our Olympic bronze medalist, Ira Villegas. 54 kilograms, transitioning from kickboxing. She's a former gold medalist in kickboxing, si Claudine Veloso. So now she's going to compete sa 54 kilograms, 54 kilogram event in boxing. 57 kilograms, Riza Paswit. And then 60 kilograms, our two-time Olympic medalist, Nesty Petesio. And then yung heaviest weight class, babae, 70 kilograms, our Olympian also, Hergy Bacquiao. So we have a total of 13 boxers, 7 men and 6 women. Yun din yung maximum na number na pwede nating salihan sa CP. So we're sending a full lineup.
So before we proceed to may tanong, no?